Welcome to Handyman School. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your family and friends. Let's begin. I'm making a quick video on this water leak that I have right here. I don't know if you could see that hole on that pipe, copper piping. The house is pretty old. It was made in 1960 something. And this copper somehow got rusted or something and started leaking. So you see such a big hole. It's about a quarter of an inch. So I found this Poxy20. It's supposed to repair in 20 minutes. It's pretty good, pretty simple stuff. So it has two different epoxy inside. All you have to do is take as much as you need and mix it all up together and apply it. I've used this before and it worked fine. I mean, it will save me so much time. I don't have to replace the pipe, at least for a while. Eventually, what I'm going to do when I get time, I will replace the pipe. But for now, I got to stop that leak. It's not, so I'm going to use this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this up together. This Poxy20 makes steel reinforced repairs in just 20 minutes. It seals, bends, bonds, and repair almost anything, even underwater. Single stick, two-part epoxy compound mixes quickly and easily and adheres to metal, masonry, wood, glass, ceramic, and some plastic. Can be applied to damp or wet surface. Withstands temperature to 300 degree Fahrenheit. Resistant to many acid, caustic, fuel oil, gasoline, and other solvents. Compression strength 18,000 psi. Tensile strength 6,000 psi. When cured in 20 minutes, you can drill. You can also sand, file, or paint on top of that. So if you're a homeowner, building superintendent, or a handyman, this is something you got to have in your toolbox. The plumbers definitely have them, but you got to have one. It doesn't cost much. It's less than $10. And as you saw me mixing it, now I'm just going to go ahead and apply it on the pipe. And you see the pipe is still wet. Generally, it's good to dry the pipe, dry the area where it's leaking from. But this epoxy is so good that I'm able to demonstrate, it's working and how to apply it on a wet pipe. Because according to the description, you are able to do this underwater, which I haven't tried it yet. So it's a little difficult to put it on while the pipe is still wet, but that's not a problem. Make sure you get some of this stuff in the crack or the hole of that pipe and massage it until it starts holding. It takes about 20 minutes to harden, and once it's hardened, you could use your water and test it. Every time I use this, it never fails. But remember to replace the pipe when you get a chance, because if this happened on this spot, a few months later, you might have a leak in another spot. It's a telltale sign this pipe is not in good condition. It's always better to get the whole pipe replaced, but this will give you some time to plan ahead and fix it whenever you have time. But otherwise, it's a great thing to have. It'll last, and wait until it hardens. Then you could turn your faucet on and test it for water leak, like I'm doing so. You see the color has changed. It's darker gray now. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you.